Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good day to you all. In today's video, I'm going to talk about topic 2.16, which is corrosion resistant steels from Shigley Mechanical Engineering Design textbook. Okay, this is the topic that I'm going to talk about, the corrosion resistant steels. Okay, naturally, all the steels are prone to corrosion. Okay, you will find steel whenever any steel is exposed to the air, it will eventually become corrosion. Okay, it become corrosion. Become when it become corrosion, later on it cannot be used anymore, and then you have to scrap. Okay, so uh, we want to make that steel to become corrosion resistant, meaning that it can be done, it can be used for a long time without corrosion. Okay, so what we do is we embedded chromium inside it. Okay, they are iron based alloy with at least 12% chromium, which form a protective oxide layer. So there are there are four main types of corrosion resistant steels, like ferritic chromium steels, austenitic chromium nickel steel, martensitic steels, and precipitation hardenable steels. Okay, common use are your kitchen utensils and your medical instrument. Kitchen utensil, I'm sure everyone in your house have this kitchen utensil, the spoon, the fork, and everything, the knife, everything. They all are corrosion resistant. They have the chromium inside it. So you can go to your kitchen right now, and you can get your fork and spoon. You can see that this has element of chromium inside it. It is a corrosion resistant. Okay, so ferritic chromium steel, they are contain 12 to say 27% chromium, iron chromium, label enhanced corrosion resistant. It will be hardenability influenced by carbon and chromium content, picking around 80% chromium with higher carbon levels. Application is used in exhaust system, where corrosion system and formality. Formability. Okay. Your exhaust system in your car have this ferritic chromium steel because it will not be corrosion. It cannot be corrosion. Okay. And our austenitic chromium nickel steel, okay, nickel addition, nickel ensure that this steel retain their austenitic structure at room temperature and enhancing corrosion structure. Cold working, this steel gains strength through cold working, but not suitable for heat treatment because the when you do the cold working, okay, the grain is already perfectly distorted and bended, and if you do the heat treatment, it will distort it and it will have no function anymore. The functionality will be not function anymore, meaning it's a waste of money, because co-working is already expensive, and then you do the heat treatment, it will damage the surface, the grain and everything. So it's just a waste of money if you do the uh, heat treatment on the cold working product. Okay, application is to use in chemical plants and harsh environment for their superior corrosion resistant. Okay, and design consideration for corrosion resistant steel, we have to balance corrosion resistant because the thing is, some of the steel you use you may want to do the welding process. Okay, you know the welding process where you join with the heat. Okay, uh, because of the chromium content of it is hard to become welding. It is hard to become welding. So there's a trade-off lah. Okay. So I think that's all for the video right now. We meet in the next video. Thank you very much.